Did they just get out?
Now the drones reproduce themselves, right?
Off to your right. I mean, off to your left. Here? No, off to your left.
Should be like there.
Or just the queen, the other babies hatch, right, and just become more worker bees? I'm recording me asking a stupid question.
Stick it way down.
The queen bees have babies. Stay still, Daddy.
I'm saying they're going to sting the heck out of me.
No, they're not. You don't want that ladder leveled up to you? I do. Hold on, Michael. You got them on your back.
I ain't going nowhere, dude. Thanks, Howard. Thanks for getting them stirred up there off the bat.
You're good now. They're all full of honey. They're calm.
Here's a little thingy.
Don't.
Hello, ladies. I want them to lay them how far you can put them down. That's what I'm going to try here. You're reading my mind.
Unless you pull both
How'd they
of them.
get out?
Yeah, see, you only grabbing the top one.
They can come out, they just usually don't go anywhere.
Daddy, watch out.
Yeah, they're almost too bright.
See, I'm thinking back away just a bit. Gonna do a two-stage process here.
Yeah.
Are they gonna stay with you?
We'll see if they don't. They'll just go back to the
back to that point.
Whoa, crap.
Back away. Howard, you need to get out of there.
Don't make any sudden movements.
They're going to go right back up to that queen.
That's okay.
Yeah. Unless she's in this.
No, she ain't. I bet you money.
That's why I was wanting to cut the ends off. Dad, blame it.
Because why? Oh, did you hit something with the end?
Yes.
Come on. It's going to be harder to cut that way because you're pulling down on it.
Right.
If you switch, turn that around, you'd be better off, I think. There you go. Yep. I got to get a box. Maybe the way to do that thing.
It is. You can get, but you need one, a smaller one, just to catch them.
Well, pooey.
Well, you may have to. Some more what?
What'd I do with those?
Yeah, that's what I mean. I get on this side of the ladder and
I got it. Y'all look out.
I got it.
Yeah.
Sure. Take a hand of it. Alright.
Woo, glory.
Gloria, ooh, goodness gracious.
Oh, I just got smothered in bees. I don't want to risk crushing. I cannot believe that.
And they were falling up under that.
Just starting to. I know there'd be 2 or 3 bees just flying in and they're starting to ball up, and so I run my finger under it and I pull my hand out, it's just crawling up my arm.
Cool.
Pretty as she can be, just golden.
Yeah.